What's up, people? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. We've got some JDM stuff in the house. Come check out what we developed for the GTR. Up front here is a quad mid-pipe configuration. There's been a previous generation of the Quadzilla mid-pipe that was produced by Boost Logic. It's incredible sound out of that system. The tricky thing is it's tough to combine that setup with a valved rear. So if you come up front here, I want to show you guys kind of how this works. This quad section separates the exhaust into 4 different paths, and all of them are slightly different lengths that have all been tuned to really accentuate the more exotic flavors of the twin turbocharged 3.8 liter V6 that's in these cars. Normally they have kind of a flat sound, but this configuration really gives a more motorsport, more exotic sound. That's the front part of the configuration. The system travels unrestricted all the way back, and then it goes out to our dual pneumatic valves and our incredible looking 5-inch titanium tips. Now this car is brand new. It is a T-spec, and I mean it's 2024, so the GTRs have been around for a long time, but at Valvetronic, as you guys know, we want to continue to push the developments as far forward as we can so we can offer the best sound experience. This system designed, engineered, and developed right here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania to give you the best sound and give you the best experience. We're going to show you guys in this video startup, revs, flybys, and do some launch controls, hard acceleration, and we'll do some interior clips and of course a GoPro on that rear bumper to make sure you guys know exactly how good your GTR is going to sound with this exhaust configuration. Let's get to how good it sounds. We're inside the T-spec R35 right now. You can hear We got the exhaust valves open. It's important to remember this car being bone stock. We had a lot of offers when we did this development to find a heavily modified car and stuff, 1,000 horsepower, whatever. But what was really important for us is we wanted to show you how good the exhaust can sound in a stock configuration. And then maybe down the line we'll get some more content of like a 1,500 wheel horsepower GTR with this setup. The big thing for us is showcasing the sound quality is very, very important. Into automatic right now, and you can hear the system is not overly loud or aggressive at low RPMs. You get some nice, enjoyable sound in the cabin, but if I close the exhaust valves, the car goes back to being bone stock. It goes back to being super, super quiet. At the end of the day, this car has been around since 2008, and there's a lot of exhaust configurations out there, but what we wanted to do at Valvetronic is combine the ultimate sound experience and sound quality with huge flexibility, which is exactly what we've been able to accomplish. So very excited with that. If I accelerate here, it's so quiet. It's so nice in here. Normally these GTRs are really loud, really bassy, very droney. With this exhaust, no compromise. Open it back up though.